back to my channel. My name is Patrick Star, and today I have my first transformation Halloween look for this year. I wanted to take something iconic from the year, and who better than Kylie Jenner. I have been in love with all her looks, but in particularly the one with this blunt bang and her all black. She's fierce, she's fearless, and I just love her. This look is not really hard to do. It's just an overdrawn lip, a fuzzy wing liner, a lot of mascara and a lot of lashes, and of course a lot of personality. So if you want to be Kylie Jenner for Halloween, take these makeup tips and tricks for you and be safe, get yourself a man, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay guys, so to prime Kylie's face, I'm going to take this Hot Makeup Bon Voyage Anti-Shine Primer, and it's amazing. It smooths out the skin and it really gets my pores really small and smooth because Kylie likes her full coverage foundation. Next, I'm gonna put my Desio eyes in. I know Kylie doesn't have gray eyes, but I wanted to give an extra oomph and an extra effect to her look. And these are by Desio in the color light gray. Next, I'm going to take my Dior Air Flash with my Morphe M427 brush and spray this all over my face for a full coverage. Whew, my arm is getting tired. How does she do this? Oh wait, she doesn't. Next, I'm going to take my full coverage foundation by MAC in the color NC20 because Kylie likes it full coverage. Not just Kylie, but all the Kardashians. Yes. And you just want to slap it on there. I think I look like her already, yes. This is my favorite combination by far. I know it's a lot of makeup, but I'm going to take my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation on my favorite Morphe G2 brush and blend my cream concealer foundation into my face makeup. And this is really micronized and it blends in the makeup smooth onto the pores. I hope that made sense. Want to blend the edges until you look like a pancake. Next, I'm going to set with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to use this instead of my Airspun because Kylie Jenner is rich. You gotta make this set because she's going to see Tyga later. Is she dating Tyga? Oh yes. You want to look as filtered as possible. She's 18, so it's okay to go in. Like, don't be afraid. This is Kylie Jenner. I promise it's going to look a lot better, I promise. Ew. So next we're gonna move on to the eyes. She likes to do a very subtle crease, a smoky wing, and really nothing on the eye. So just like lots of lashes for Kylie, duh. Okay, so first I'm gonna take these colors right here from the 35O palette, the famous 35O palette, and I'm just gonna run this through the crease. This girl likes to look way older and way sexy, so just what I like. Come through, Kylie. Do I look more expensive to you? I'm going to take this color on the very center on the last row of the 35O palette with my M433 brush and add a little bit of definition to my crease. Just add a little bit because you do not want to look like a hoe. You want to look like a Kardashian / Jenner. See? Just a little bit. It's not perfect. Next, you want to take a Morphe M504 brush and just blend this out. Let's make Caitlyn Jenner proud. Next, I'm going to take this nude color called Cream by Anastasia Beverly Hills and pat this all over the lid ever so slightly. When I say slightly, I mean like slightly. Okay, next is a very difficult part. I'm going to take my Boomy Master large angular brush. It's a very large angle brush, and I'm going to create a very smoky wing only on the outer half of my eye using black eyeshadow. First, let's say a prayer. Please, Jesus, let me get this liner right. It's just so hard. After you smoke the liner to the best of your ability, I'm going to take a real liner, my favorite Inglot gel liner, with my MAC 266 brush and create a fierce wing liner just below the smoke. Jacqueline does this so good, like how? Okay guys, so I completed the liner. Next I'm going to take that same fat angled brush and I'm going to smoke out the liner to diffuse the stripped straight edge. That's why I didn't do it too perfect. So I'm just going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and just smoke it out. Okay, so next I'm going to take these New Balance and Bella Mink eyelashes, and these are super wispy, full, and Kylie Jenner. And I'm going to apply this all over the eye. I'm going to apply this on the lash line using my janky Revlon glue. These lashes are so pretty. I love these lashes. I have a discount code below. Next, I'm going to take my favorite mascara for the bottom lashes, MAC's Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This mascara is amazing and I cannot live without it. It gets my lashes long and thick, just the way Kylie likes it.
Look, this mascara is so good. Naked, Kylie. Naked, Kylie. Naked, Tyga.
Okay, so Kylie Jenner has large eyes, which I love, and it's very, very lashy. So to add more dimension, I'm going to take this mustard color here, and I'm going to add this under the lashes for an extra dimension effect. So now that the eyes are done, I'm going to take MAC's Studio Care Blend Powder in the color Medium Dark and dust this all over the face for an extra Kylie Jenner filter effect. I'm trying to look like I'm 17 here. 17 and about 105 pounds. Next, I'm gonna contour the face using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark and snatch this cheekbone. Kylie Jenner for sure does not have a double chin, so let's eliminate this. She's Kylie, not Chloe. I love you, Chloe. I love you. Next, I'm going to use Fawn by Anastasia and snatch my nose, as always. Kylie has a small-ass nose. Next, I'm going to take some foundation powder and highlight underneath the eye using a tulip brush. See, by pushing in the highlight, I'm making my nose more like Caitlyn Jenner's. Next, I'm going to take Jaclyn Hill's Highlight Champagne Pop. Mine's broken, I'm not going to show it on camera, and snatch my nose like Kylie. Next, I'm going to take this blush called Eternal Sun by MAC. I'm just going to put some apples on my cheeks. It's a very peachy nude blush. She doesn't really do like harsh pinks, more like bronze contour colors. Okay, now for the famous Kylie Jenner feature, the lips. So I am going to use Ben Nye Spice Liner, but if this wasn't empty, I would use this pencil. It is the Rimmel Exaggerate Lip Liner. It is amazing. It is in the color Epic. This color is thebomb.com. But since I ran out, because it's sold out, I will use this instead. But if I didn't have it, I would use this. So if you have the chance, get Epic Liner by Rimmel London. We want to get them big DSLs, okay? Now that you've lined your lips to the full capacity, I'm going to take Anastasia's liquid lipstick in the color Veronica to camouflage my real lip liner from my fake lip line. So this is the completed look. I'm not going to do the brows because I'm going to put on the wig next with the bang. This is the wig right here. It's a little wiggy. It's a little bangy. But it is very Kylie. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. I look like an Asian lady. Let me get on my Kylie Jenner outfit and I will be right back. And And you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this Kylie Jenner tutorial. I know it's not a drastic Halloween costume, but she is like the girl of the year, so why not? I love Kylie Jenner. I've been meaning to do a Kardashian or Jenner tutorial for the longest, so I thought I would bust out this brand new wig straight out the box onto my head for you guys here on my channel. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment below on what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys like it. A little info on the outfit, since I will be getting a lot of questions. My sunglasses are from this sunglass kiosk I got at the Grove in Los Angeles, and then these overalls I got from ASOS, which I love. They're short overalls, and then this turtleneck top t-shirt is from Forever 21. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.